Are asteroids or comets more dangerous? And what exactly is a meteor? Well, asteroids and comets differ in composition. Asteroids are made of metal and rock, while comets are made of ice, dust, and some rock. You might think that makes asteroids stronger, right? Well, not quite. A comet could be more destructive than an asteroid. This is because comets are more volatile due to their icy composition. But the real danger comes from their speed. Comets travel much faster than asteroids, and because the energy released during a collision increases with speed, a comet can deliver up to 9 times more destructive power than an asteroid of the same mass. This means that even if an asteroid and a comet are the same size, the comet could cause far more damage upon impact. Plus, comets move so quickly that by the time scientists detect a dangerous one, it might already be on a collision course with Earth. So, what's a meteor then? It starts with a meteoroid, a small piece of an asteroid or comet. When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it's called a meteor. As it falls at high speed, friction with the atmosphere causes it to burn up, creating a bright streak of light known as a shooting star. If a meteor survives the journey through the atmosphere and lands on the ground, it's called a meteorite. So if you've ever seen a shooting star, you were likely watching a meteor.